the tutorial on how to create hyperlink on Microsoft Excel. Do you know hyperlink? Hyperlink is often used to connect one file or document with another file. Hyperlink is often used to show the locations of tags or the search of an object that is being seen. And also, hyperlink is easily can be found in some websites and in application. I think that hyperlink is often used to contain some website, and also it is often said or it's well known as link. So that's how to create hyperlink on Microsoft Excel. Here I have table. It's about name, link, and hyperlink. We need to create words to connect to the browser. Okay, for example, I want to type Google. After I click the Google, so it will automatically connect to Google. Okay, right click and then link, select link, and the appearance will be like this, and then we just fill the address to link the words that we've created on Microsoft Excel. For example, it's www.google.com, and then click OK. Okay, so if after you create the hyperlink, you will find this searches or websites or address that you've created on hyperlink setting. Okay, for second example, I want to type YouTube. Okay, or by clicking Ctrl K, by pressing Ctrl K, also you will be connected automatically to our insert hyperlink setting. And address, you need to type or to fill this with the websites or the address from where the hyperlink will be taken. Okay, that's, and for example this I will create a 100 hyperlink. Okay, this is the formula to use hyperlink. Equal to sign and then hyperlink, the bracket b2. It's about the link location. Okay, and if you have name for your hyperlink, you need to click it and comma and the name Google, and then close the bracket. Okay, that's the formula. Equal to sign hyperlink b2a2 and then bracket. Okay, it's a hyperlink. The hyperlink name will be Google, and after we click it, okay, you will go to the www.google.com, and then just drag down to copy the formula, and automatically without typing one by one. This is very useful if you have 100 link or 1000 link, so you do not need to type one by one. Just using the formula, you will use it to link the name to the website that you take about the hyperlink. Okay, that's all hyperlink tutorial. Okay, and I think that this formula of hyperlink is available in the newest versions of Microsoft Excel, I think, to support this hyperlink formula. Okay, that's all the tutorial on how to do hyperlink. See you soon. Bye.